My name is Daniel Ayodele. I am the basic technology teacher at City of Wisdom Catholic College. So today, I and my JSS2 students, we pay a courtesy visit to Afolabi Dinehin and Sons Mechanical Workshop to actually broaden our knowledge on all we've been doing in class all along. Because in the last 2 weeks, we've been looking at Metalworks machine and
I ask any of you now to tell me what machine is this. What will you say?
Central.
However, you are
Everyone would have thought the press machine was the center lathe, but with the help of engineer Smart, we are able to differentiate between the two. The press machine is a machine used to grind crankshafts, which are found in automobile engines. The press machine is powered by electricity and it has an emergency switch in case of emergency.
what is happening now?
Hydraulic presser. The hydraulic presser is an example of hydraulic and pneumatic machines. It is used to compress metals that are within the pressure of 220 RPS into smaller pieces. So it is manually operated. It does not use electricity.
Backhoe polishing machine. Backhoe polishing machine complements the job of a backhoe boring machine by polishing the already bored holes. It is powered by electricity only.
The boring machine is a machine used to bore holes into metals. The holes can be in different sizes, just by removing the drill and replacing it with another size of the drill. And the boring machine is powered by electricity, but also can be powered by engines. And some safety precautions are to wear your safety wears like goggles, helmets, and so on.
it's been a very wonderful experience coming down here. The kids are very excited to see the machines they've been talking about in class. We saw the center lathe machine, we saw the hydraulic drilling machine, we saw the pedestal grinder, the pedestal drilling machine, we saw the pedestal grinder as well. So and this actually broadens their knowledge and also help them to get a deeper understanding of all we've been saying in class. So I want to say a very big thank you to the management, to the manager and the entire team at Afolabi Dinehin and Sons Nigeria Limited. Thank you so much for having us. It's such a very wonderful moment and it's an honor being here. Thank you so much, and I'll be looking forward to more partnership in subsequent time. Thank you so much.